Hello there my friends, and welcome once again to my street photography channel. I'm here in London today, my favorite place for street photography, and today is special because it will be a POV video. So I'm also having my GoPro and I will strap you here on my chest. I have my harness here, so you will come along with me. Today I'm using my Pentax MX analog camera, and for the film stock, the classic Ilford HP5 Plus. Exciting! Let's see what we find today.
And off we go! The first shots are always the warm-up shots, so nothing special here. Just getting the finger loose and building up confidence. I found this nice angle here, so I kneeled down. I was just waiting for the right subject to come by. Remember, patience is key for street photography, and my subject was about to come. In here I was at the Borough Market and I really wanted to take the picture of the guy standing on the stall, but as you can see here, it was very busy, so it was difficult to get a clear shot, but I just waited there for it. I was still not very happy with the shot, so I went back and I tried a second time. And the second time I got my shot. I like it much better than the first time.
I just finished the roll of HP5, so now I will change and use a roll of Delta 3200 because I'm at the Borough Market in London. It's a bit dark here, and also it's an overcast day, so perfect chance to use this low light film.
Oh, I'm so happy and proud of the next shot. I saw the lady with the hoodie approaching, so I prepared my camera and I pointed to the direction and just waited for her there, and I got my shot. By far my favorite of the day.
It's too many people.
Yeah, too many people.
Oh no. These are some of the other photos I took today, but I don't have the POV for those because my GoPro died on me. That's the bad thing about the GoPro, battery lasts for a very short time. Have a look. And that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you did, you don't need to subscribe, just stay around for the next one. See you.